Whips on here, okay. This is how Elvis used to turn off his TVs. Go. Go. Damn. Okay, wait. Oh, man. Oh, shit, I wish we had some more light.
You can move it to the light. Beautiful.
Yeah, so,
Let me get 3 more hits.
Jesus.
Let me go through.
No.
Get behind.
Yeah, hold on. Go for it. Ooh, got some momentum on that one. Get those aggressions out. All right.
Careful, it does bounce back.
Yeah, well, there. Have some fun with that.
Hold on.
Yeah, get out of the way. Let me give it a...
Still recording?
Yep.
Go for it. Harder. Told you it bounces, you need to be careful. Careful.
I know. Take it back. Alright, hold on. One on the speaker.
Here, hold on. Better idea. The way it's standing, not very good. Hold this. Needs to be at an angle for maximum effect. On a chair. Grab one of the metal chairs. Or, hey, this footstool should work.
Oh, let me get a good angle. Don't start swinging it yet. Go for it. Oh, careful. Alright. Yeah, be careful that they don't, like, whack you in the head, but, shank it.
It's a TV.
Oh, I want to stab it a bunch.